In today's video, let's quickly talk about how to use the AngelList salary tool. As you all know, AngelList talent now has been changed to WellFound. And inside of WellFound, in order for you to use the salary tool, is kind of already inbuilt. Whenever you add in a job title and a location inside of the job section, you'll get different job recommendations or searches. And right inside of these searches, you're going to get the salary range. These salary ranges will differ depending upon your exact job as well as the location that you selected. If you add in the same job title and change the location, even if you select the remote option, you're going to see differences in the salary. So you can just open up all of these options that fit your match and then take a look at the range of salary all of these companies are providing. You also do have the option of selecting the salary. If you head over to the filters option, right here you can see you can add in the minimum salary as well as the maximum salary. This is optional, but you do still have the option of adding in the minimum salary so that you can search up by the minimum amount that you're trying to get paid for this job title. So this is the only thing that you can do in terms of salary calculator inside of WellFound or AngelList. If this video did help you out, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up.